Hi everyone. Let us discuss Cloud Computing Unit 1. Topic 3. Characteristics and essential features of cloud computing. 2-mark questions. Define on-demand self-service in cloud computing. What is elasticity in cloud computing? Define scalability in cloud computing. What is multi-tenancy in cloud computing? Explain measured service in cloud computing. 5-mark questions. Explain the key characteristics of cloud computing. Describe on-demand self-service with an example. Discuss elasticity and scalability in cloud computing with examples. Explain multi-tenancy and its advantages. Illustrate measured service and its role in cloud resource management. Introduction. Cloud computing is a model that delivers computing resources, such as servers, storage, applications, and networks, over the internet. Unlike traditional IT infrastructures that require heavy investment in physical hardware, cloud computing provides resources on demand, offering flexibility and efficiency. Its essential characteristics explain why it is so widely adopted today. Key features include on-demand self-service, where users can access resources whenever needed. Elasticity and scalability, which allow resources to expand or shrink based on demand. Measured service, which follows a pay-per-use model. And multi-tenancy, where multiple users can share the same infrastructure securely. These features make cloud computing highly cost-effective, accessible from anywhere, and an ideal solution for modern organizations seeking to optimize resource utilization and support rapidly changing business needs. 1. On-demand self-service. One of the key features of cloud computing is on-demand self-service, which allows users to provision computing resources automatically without requiring human intervention from the service provider. For example, a user can launch a virtual server or allocate additional storage space directly from the AWS Management Console without needing to contact the IT team. This feature ensures immediate access to resources, reduces dependency on IT staff, and significantly speeds up deployment. An easy way to understand this is to compare it with utilities like electricity or water. Just as you can access power instantly by switching on a meter without calling the electricity board, cloud users can access resources instantly whenever they are needed. 2. Elasticity. Elasticity refers to the ability of cloud computing to automatically adjust resources according to the workload. This means resources can be scaled up during periods of high demand and scaled down when the demand decreases, ensuring that organizations pay only for what they use. For instance, e-commerce websites often face a sudden surge in traffic during festive sales, and the cloud automatically provides additional resources to handle this spike, later reducing them when traffic normalizes. The benefit of elasticity is efficient resource utilization and cost optimization. A useful analogy is an air conditioner that automatically adjusts its cooling based on the number of people in a room, ensuring comfort while conserving energy. 3. Scalability. Scalability in cloud computing refers to the ability to increase or decrease computing resources in order to accommodate workload growth. There are two main types: vertical scaling, where more power is added to an existing server by upgrading CPU or RAM, and horizontal scaling, where more servers are added to distribute the workload. For example, Netflix scales horizontally by adding more servers across the globe to handle the rising demand for video streaming during peak times. The key distinction between scalability and elasticity is that scalability can be planned or manually implemented to meet long-term growth, while elasticity happens dynamically and automatically based on immediate demand. Scalability ensures that businesses can continue to perform efficiently as their user base and workload expand. 4. Measured service pay-per-use. Another important feature of cloud computing is measured service, which means that resource usage is monitored and customers are billed based on what they actually consume. This pay-per-use model is cost-effective because it removes the need for heavy upfront investment in hardware. For example, Amazon EC2 bills users by the hour for running virtual machines, while Google Drive charges customers based on the amount of storage space they use. The biggest benefit is financial flexibility, as users only pay for what they need, instead of maintaining underutilized infrastructure. A simple analogy is paying an electricity bill. Just as households pay for the actual number of units consumed, cloud users pay for the exact resources they use. 5. Multi-tenancy. Multi-tenancy is a key feature of cloud computing where multiple users, known as tenants, share the same cloud infrastructure while keeping their data and applications securely isolated from one another. This approach allows service providers to serve many customers efficiently without duplicating infrastructure for each one. A popular example is Salesforce, where multiple organizations can use the same software platform simultaneously, but their data remains separate and secure. The main benefits of multi-tenancy include efficient resource utilization, reduced costs for users, and simplified maintenance since updates and upgrades are applied centrally. A useful analogy is an apartment building where multiple families live in different flats, but share the same infrastructure, such as water, electricity, and security, without interfering in each other's privacy. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe.